All right, take a look at the Vantisan USB 3.0 hub. Okay. And one of the things I really like about this, it has individual power buttons for each USB port, so that's very nice. And the second thing is it doesn't rely entirely on the power of this cable, which is actually quite thick. That is thicker than I was expecting. But you can connect external power here so that you can use that to power all these ports, and this port, that way you don't have to have your laptop or your computer on in order to charge everything. And this is that charger. And we can see it is 5 volts at 3 amps. So if I plug this in here, and I plug this in here, there we go. So these do light up, and we can turn them off individually. Pretty cool. And if I plug in my phone, we are charging. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that I can use this just for data, and I can use this for charging up devices without actually pulling power from my laptop. So this is a fantastic to-go option.